We've spent the last week and a half in the sleepy little town of Poggibonsi, and in our previous episode, we ventured out on a day trip 20 minutes down the road to the Tuscan town of towers, San Gimignano, where we got swept up not only by the gorgeous views, delicious food, and the world's best gelato,
That's kind of crazy.
but by Mother Nature's mightiest winds.
It's so windy, my nut came untied.
But today, it's time to pack up and leave our super cute apartment and continue on our journey to the medieval city of Siena. We have the most beautiful view from our bedroom.
I don't know what I was expecting, but this is cool.
We're Matteo and Micha, and we're currently on the world's slowest Italian road trip, traveling to all 20 regions of Italy. Subscribe to follow the adventure. And we're off.
Mateo's getting in his exercise that he's been missing.
It's a lot easier downhill on a cool day.
We're gonna stop at Coop and grab water, but it's closed. Even though it's a Monday morning at 9:30. Oh, this whole time there's certain days in my head I knew to keep track of. November 1st was one of them, and I've forgotten. Today it is All Souls Day. So it is a public holiday in Italy. So the schools are closed, like it's a public holiday for the country. I guess that means Coop too. I didn't think it's like the main grocery store in town here. So no water for us. Luckily I still have a pinch left in my blue bottle on the side of my bag. But yeah, if you're in Italy, November 1st, the hours are gonna be different.
You know me, you know I can't travel without water. Anyway,
You can't do anything without water.
a lot of people can. I don't know how you guys do it. Not drinking any water, but for me I need water. Everywhere I go, all the time, at every minute.
See, all these places are closed because it's November 1st. The town is very quiet. To be fair, it's quiet anyway, but go down the ramp. It smells like ketchup chips.
I'm avoiding carrying at all costs.
We're gonna ramp it today.
I mean, that's pushing the bank a little bit, but it's a good quality.
€2 for a liter. Wow, should be a painful pill for you to swallow. It's okay, we needed it. Desperate times call for desperate measures. So the only place that was open was the little mini mart, literally right here at the side of the station.
The tabacchino. The
Tabacchino.
place where you buy your tickets for the buses. As you get out the door in Poggibonsi on the right, there is a little tabacchino. You can buy your tickets right there.
And a coffee. And a snack.
And everything else.
And
Scratch tickets.
expensive
lottery.
water.
There's gambling machines. I've never appreciated downhills more in my entire life.
And up another elevator. It's the theme of the train stations. You just go up and down and up and down. Ooh, doggy.
Door opening.
We made it. This is a very sad little town.
It's not, it's a public holiday.
I
There's
know.
not a single person here. I'd normally panic if I hadn't booked my tickets directly on the Siena app. So I do know there's a train coming. We're just not going to panic yet. It should come. I must check in. It's a bit hard to check in for a train when it's not actually here yet, or if you don't know if it's actually coming, but it should come according to their app and website.
I would not check in until I see it.
Yeah, but what if
We're not going to check in until we see it.
where's the board?
Because if we need a refund, you can't.
The
You
board's
can't.
behind. We're gonna be
You
the
can't
only
get a
people
refund.
getting on this train.
Literally the same thing happened in Catania when we returned our rental car at the airport, and it was November 1st after one of our week stints going around the island, and we booked the train ticket and the train never showed up, and it was the Catania airport train to Catania Centrale to then take the other train we needed. For some reason, the airport one let us book. It didn't show up. We managed to get the bus to Catania Centrale, and then that train showed up. So,
That was a new airport station though.
I mean, it was brand new, but why would they let you book a ticket on the internet and then it just doesn't come?
So if you use the Trenitalia app, you'll notice some stations are in all capitals, whereas some are in lowercase. For some reason, whenever you put in the all capital stations, most of them literally say there's no train line there. So I don't know whether that's a station in development or whether It's not entirely active yet, but it does get a little confusing.
Or maybe it's a station that was in use and they've discontinued. There's a lot of stations we
true.
pass that look like it was something, but it's not anything
Although,
anymore.
like, I think Siena's one. No, that really good.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, according to the board here, yeah, you sip that delicately, my love. I don't think we've ever paid more for a bottle of water at a train station.
Oh, it's good though.
The board here, oh, our thing is already 5 minutes late.
I hate that sign.
I know. So the board is still showing trains, but now it's saying Siena, that 5 right there, ritardo, it's late. What?
We have a good sign. The train has left its original location of Empoli
Okay.
and is currently about to stop at the town over.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, wait, we're on the slower train, so there's an extra stop. So then we're 2 stops.
Okay, so now our scheduled arrival for the train was 9:45, but now it's delayed 5 minutes. So it should be here at 9.
It's delayed 9 minutes.
9 minutes. Well,
As per the app.
No, and now it just went away. So you have to be careful. The bin number, again, is the platform number, but the writ column, that's like it being delayed.
Here's your Italian words of the day. If you watched our how to use a train video, you should know this. Platform, binario. When they say binario uno, it's platform 1. RIT, rit, ritardo. It means the train is delayed if something is late. And so you'll see a plus on the board. Sometimes you even get a minus. That means it's coming early. It won't leave early though. It'll leave at the exact same scheduled time. So don't panic. You'll be all right.
Train facts. You didn't know you needed, but you actually do need. You definitely need them. Again, don't forget to check in for your ticket.
Regionale 19037 di Trenitalia, proveniente da Empoli e diretto a Siena, delle ore 9:45, è in arrivo al binario 2. Ferma in tutte le stazioni. Attenzione!
So is it
Allontanarsi
It's
dalla
gonna be in
linea
2
gialla.
minutes.
Really?
Oh no, wait, wrong thing. It'll be at 9:48 and leaving at 9:49. So that's a little premature.
And when you hear that bell, don't worry, it's not an air raid. It just means that the train is coming.
When you hear this bell ringing, don't worry, it's not an air raid warning. It is just the bell to tell you that there is a train coming. There was a bus line that actually could take us from near our house here all the way to where we need to stay in Siena. But when we got on the bus the other day, that dude drove pretty crazy. And I don't know where we'd actually put our bags without us being thrown around. And so the train is a lot easier for us to just put our bags onto, go straight to Siena and just catch a cab to our place where we need to stay. Just this one time we do treat ourselves sometimes. A little bit of a 10 to 14 euro cab ride. Ooh, really dipping into the savings over there.
I think we've taken a cab a total of 1 time in our entire journey so far.
Unless you're really early, you can't rely on the taxis most of the time if you're calling them to your place. But I mean, when you get to the Siena station, there's a taxi stand outside.
Hopefully they're
it's
not.
a public holiday. Jinxing everything
stop
all the
jinxing
time.
it.
But we'll see. Luckily, it's still early. It's only 9:45. We've got time.
Train's here.
Open the door there.
You got it? That is a big bike. Oh my god.
Just this whole bag. Sit down.
Yeah. Which one's the train going? Good. Here we go. Made it.
One stop.
If you have a bike or something, there's a spot for it there.
On certain trains.
So even though it said it was like 5 minutes and then 9 minutes delayed, we still left pretty much on time. We're only like 1 minute delayed. So keep an eye on that board. Just because it says something, it doesn't mean that it's going to stay that way. How's that working out for you? Matteo's tried to strap it with the duffel and it just doesn't seem to work. I mean, you tried with the duffel strap. You really tried.
Informiamo i gentili passeggeri che per la maggiore affluenza di viaggiatori
siamo in arrivo a Siena, termine questo è treno.
Made it. Stairs?
No stairs. I'm not
Where's the
staring.
elevator?
I'm not staring at today.
Okay, Matteo's not Not stairsing it today. We're gonna find the elevator. And I just walked into a cloud of smoke. Thankfully, there is an elevator at this one. Oh my goodness, it is looking rather... This is new and different.
It's just a box.
I know, literally.
This is the most simplified elevator I've ever seen.
It's hilarious. Maybe 0, baby. Is it closed? Try 0? Try 0?
We're on 0.
Try it. Okay, press down.
Oh! That is the...
You're joking. Do not take your hand off
I
that.
think it stops.
Matteo! I just said don't take your hand off the button! Do not take your hand off this button in the Siena train station. It will stop the elevator.
There's not even a door.
No
Like
way.
if you get caught on something.
Dude. What? This is actually nuts. Yeah, you keep your finger there.
It's actually quite hurting my finger.
Oh look, now we're coming up on the door there.
This is a terrible... No wonder they got... There's like 5 instructions for help and emergencies here.
Okay, well
Yeah.
you make sure that we made it all. Oh, okay. I think that means we're here. That was actually a little bit frightening. That was weird. Area 1. Does it say taxi somewhere?
I think the taxi's above us, to be honest. Press a button.
Okay. Hopefully this elevator's a bit more legit than the other one. It looks more legit. Ooh, it's got a light. Okay. Cool, we don't have to press on this one. See, perfect. Taxiing it.
Siena's on a hill, so we know better than to take a bus.
There is a bus right here that you could take, but last time we got thrown around so much and we only had backpacks. So now with our luggage, we've decided to treat ourselves to a taxi. This city's very hilly and very windy, so this is the one place we're gonna do it.
È circa 10 euro che va.
Ok, perfetto.
Ma oggi è festivo. Sì.
Oh, sì, no.
10-11 euro.
Sì, così. Non sono 2, anche l'altro è molto piccolo.
No, vanno a giro.
That's it.
So you got the station, you've got the bus stop, you've got the taxi rank.
Quindi Natale e Pasqua noi venivamo quindi da Sant'Anna, da via del Tiro
It's All Souls Day, or All Saints Day, first
In
and second.
italiano, come si dice questo giorno pubblico?
Si dice ogni santi.
Ogni santi.
Oh, it's All Saints Day.
Ah.
Tomorrow's All Souls Day.
Eccoci.
C'è una festa questa sera a Siena?
Ma penso di no.
Oh.
C'è stato ieri qualche cosa per Halloween.
Grazie mille. It didn't even take 10 minutes. That was like maybe 6 minutes. Cost €10.70. Not bad. Oh. Grazie mille. How beautiful. This is our little corner here. Grazie mille.
Anche il numero a chiamare delle 2 settimane.
Tieni.
Oh.
Ciao, grazie.
Grazie. Buona giornata.
So we got a card for the way back. $10. Honestly, that was
You
worth
need a
it.
number?
That's the number if you need a taxi in Siena. That was so worth it.
Yeah, that was worth it.
That didn't even take, that was like maybe 6 minutes. €10.70 for the both of us with our bags. These buses here are crazy. The roads are so tight and windy that to me was worth every cent. So we made it. Our check-in doesn't open until noon, but the lady was nice enough that she's letting us check in early. It is 10:25. Oh, she might not be here for another 20 minutes. She said she'd meet us at 10:45. So we got 20 minutes. We'll just chill here on the church steps if she's not here yet. It's a cute little corner. Let me just message her quick. I just sent you a message now. Mi dispiace, we're so early.
Sorry, we ended. Non sono fluente.
Sono canadese.
Ma parlate bene italiano? Un po'. Ma dal primo piano.
Macho, man. Oh my goodness, this is adorable.
Per l'iscrizione è più facile parlare in inglese.
So we just arrived, and before we unpack, I want to show you our gorgeous, precious little apartment. So if you go straight, you've got a nice big bathroom. Then you've got the door back there again. If you go this way, oh, we have the most beautiful view from our bedroom. It's a little bit gray today, but this view is just unreal. And nice big closets, a nice big bed, side tables. It honestly is so lovely. I feel like this video is probably not going to do it justice. We've got a Matteo in the corner. What are you?
That wasn't me.
Oh, maybe she forgot something.
Oh.
And through here, we've got our kitchen. It's a huge space. And we even have a little couch in here, which looks nice and comfy. But again, the best view is from this window. It's just incredible. Mateo's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. She was really sweet. She literally sat with us for 30 minutes and gave us this map of Siena and pinpointed like grocery stores, like all of the points of interest for us. She sat at the table with us and walked us through like everything, which was amazing. We even have a washer in here, which is a luxury, and a kettle. Nice fridge. The ceilings look nice and new, very high ceilings. And I love the fact that like our kitchen sink, so this is like the normal sink, but then for drinking water, there's this tap, which is just amazing because that saves us from carrying 6 packs of water. And by we, I mean Matteo.
I wonder where the filter goes to. It's just through the wall.
I don't know. And we have this fridge is actually like pretty decently sized. Some of these fridges in Italy can be pretty tiny. And then we're back out to the front where we've got another couch and a TV. In our upcoming episodes, we spend a whole month exploring Siena to its core, trying its sweets, roaming its streets, and diving headfirst into its cuisine as we kick off a new series where we try the local dishes of the area by cooking them ourselves.
Dude, it smells like a wet cat.
Or trying to, anyway.
This pasta's gonna be different to anything we've ever had.
Subscribe to follow the adventure.